Alright, it's been a while. So, I was looking at my system and I noticed that I can't switch this camera around once you start recording. Alright, I haven't made a video in a while, and I finally got my grill with enough spacing on it so that I'm not so worried that my rubber surround's gonna hit. Now, at first I just drilled it down. There's some old holes there, an old hole there, and but then I went ahead and I realigned it, put some screw inserts, 832s with some 832 hex screw heads. I really like the way those come out. I think the manufacturer's Easy Lock. What I also did was put some teak oil on here, a couple coats, and then I finished it off with some wool, the really fine wool. It's it looks okay. It's all right. It's kind of late, so, and I took it out of the car. I finally put it in, doing some testing. What I have is right here, the CT-1500.1D, and it's a pretty good unit. I like it. It's very heavy considering its size. So running some test tones again with my well, apparently it's my kid's iPad now, through the IE tools, I believe. I always forget. It's the audio tool. You can buy it for like $2. It's always good to have. So anyway, the purpose of this video is that I was getting some hitting. At first there's an earlier video where I showed the tinsel leads hitting, but I don't think it's that, because I took the woofer out and I noticed some indentations in the back where the screws directly below are where the screws are that hold down the spider, and that's exactly where the indentations were. Now, I've only been running, well, this amp is really rated at 850 watts at 2 ohms. This is a, what is it, a D4? So I'm running a 2 ohm load. So I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna turn it on 20 hertz test tone. And this thing, it can make it move. At 20, it's moving. We're gonna go up to 30, and it's night, so I can't do this for too long. 30. Now I'm gonna go one at a time. One at a time. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. It's starting to hit, and I've already looked at it, and it doesn't hit the bars, even though it's about a 2 centimeters distance. So it's hitting the tinsel leads in the back. I've already tested that by spacing this out a little bit more for Xmax ratings. It's in millimeters, so in centimeters, 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. So there's enough spacing. I've already checked. So just a heads up, because I know a lot of people like to feed these way more than they should, and then they end up with problems with holes, indentations on their comb. Not a good idea. So just quick review.